Hey, puppies. Hi. Good morning. Unfortunately, this past weekend we were hit with a cold front. It was very unexpected, which means that a lot of the plants that we've been growing, all of our veggies and fruits and herbs, were hit with a harsh chill, and some of them didn't make it through. That being said, we actually went to the store and ended up purchasing a few other plants. Now, I'm not usually one on the big box stores, but today I'm going to share with you a secret on how you can actually get some free plants when you go there. Intrigued? Come on. Now, free from a box store, what does that even mean? Okay, here we have a carton of a few different plants that we got, and when I say free, I mean that what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead, pick out the plants that you want at the store, and you're going to notice that most of the time these stores will actually overseed a lot of their containers, which means that sometimes there's going to be more than one plant. Oftentimes there's going to be able to find at least a couple of planters that have a variation or a few different ones. So you can see in this example, I actually have two plants in here. So I have two of these orange bell plants, and we're going to go into how you can actually take these apart and make sure that you can plant them in the correct way so you can really take advantage of these. Now, with all of the costs of inflation here, some of these pots are $4.50 to $5, some of them even $7, which is insane. I mean, I think it's definitely better off to get plants and be more self-sustainable, because you're going to really reap the benefits when they do start to grow that fruit and veggies for you. But what can we do to make sure that we really capitalize on them? So yesterday, Chris and I went to a local Home Depot, and we were able to actually find all of these plants with more than one plant inside of them, and today we're just going to take them apart. Okay, so now that we're over in a bed, I'm going to show you how to actually plant these. And the first step is to make sure that you read the little tag on each of your plants. You want to make sure that you are planting them in the right area, that you are making sure to give them full sun or partial sun or any of the different variations that it does say. It will usually also tell you how far to actually plant these apart from each other, taking into account how large the plant is going to actually grow. Once you know the area that you're going to be planting your items in, then we're going to go ahead and actually plant them. And to do this, we're going to just jiggle it out of our planter container, and we're going to very lightly pull the plants apart so that you have each of the rooting systems. You're going to dig it in a nice size hole that's about large enough that we can then take our good healthy compost soil and cover it up. And then we're going to finish off with watering our plants and just making sure that we're loving and tending to them. Now that we've gone ahead and planted some of our plants, we're going to finish up everything that we got, and then just make sure to water everything. And in a couple of weeks, we're going to see some beautiful peppers and veggies coming up. I hope this video was helpful and that you can start making a bigger garden this year and start living a more self-sustainable lifestyle. We'll see you guys again next time. Bye.